Everyone knows ChatGPT, everyone knows Canva, but there are 5 AI tools in 2026 that are completely free, incredibly powerful, and almost nobody in tech is talking about them. I'm going to show you each one in under 2 minutes, and I'll be completely honest about the catch on every single one of them, because every free tool has one. The most popular AI tools get all the attention, but the best tools are often the ones flying under the radar, built by smaller teams, more focused on specific problems. I tested all 5 of these tools this week. None of them are paid promotions, and for each one, I'll tell you the exact limit you'll hit on the free tier, so you can decide if you need to upgrade before you get frustrated. Tool 1. Perplexity AI. This is not another chatbot. Perplexity is a search engine powered by AI, and it answers questions like a research assistant, not a link list. Every answer comes with cited, clickable sources you can verify. For researchers, students, content creators, journalists, this replaces paid research subscriptions. A question that would take you 20 minutes of Googling and reading takes 30 seconds in Perplexity. Here are the verified numbers for May 2026. 45 million monthly users, over 1 billion queries per month, $450 million in annualized revenue. This has crossed the point of no return. What's free? Unlimited basic searches with citations, 3 deep research queries per day. The new Comet browser, an AI-native browser that can book flights, fill forms, and chat with any web page, is now free as of March 18, 2026. The honest catch, free tier limits you to 5 pro searches per day. Pro searches are the multi-step, deep research queries. Heavy researchers will hit this limit by lunchtime. Perplexity Pro fixes it at $20 a month. For most viewers watching this, the free tier is genuinely enough for daily research. Try it before you pay. Tool 2. V0 by Vercel. This one is specifically for developers. V0 generates production-ready React UI components from plain English. Describe a login form, a pricing page, a dashboard. It builds the code. You copy it into your project. February 2026 changed everything about V0. The update added Git integration, so you can create branches and pull requests directly from the chat, a VS Code style editor inside the browser, database connectivity for Snowflake and AWS, and agentic workflows for full-stack app scaffolding. V0 is now the closest thing to a full-stack front-end development environment in the browser. It generates clean, accessible components styled with Tailwind CSS and Shad CN UI. What's free? $5 worth of monthly credits, resetting every billing cycle. For simple components, that's generous. For complex, full-stack app generation, you'll burn through it faster than you expect. The honest catch? The February 2026 update switched from fixed credit counts to token-based billing. Costs vary by complexity, and you don't know exactly what a generation will cost until it runs. Budget carefully. Premium is $20 a month and removes most limits. If you're a React or Next.js developer, this is the highest leverage free tool on this list. Tool 3. Suno AI. Suno generates complete songs from text descriptions, not just background beats, full songs with vocals, instruments, lyrics, and structure. Type a prompt, hit generate. 30 to 60 seconds later, you have 2 song variations to choose from. The free tier gives 50 credits per day, enough to generate approximately 10 complete songs every single day. For YouTube creators who need background music, or podcasters experimenting with intro music, this is extraordinary volume. Now here is the critical thing I want you to hear clearly, because most videos about Suno skip this. Free tier songs are for personal, non-commercial use only. You cannot legally use them in monetized YouTube videos. You cannot sell them. You cannot license them to clients. If you do, you're violating Suno's terms of service. For commercial use, you need Suno Pro. That's $10 a month or $8 a month billed annually. Pro gives you commercial rights and 2,500 credits monthly. The honest verdict: start on free to learn the tool. Upgrade to Pro the moment you want to monetize. $10 a month is still cheaper than any royalty-free music subscription. Tool 4. Descript. And this one genuinely changes how you edit. Descript transcribes your audio or video and lets you edit it like a document. Delete a sentence from the transcript? That segment disappears from the video. Move a paragraph? The footage follows. Cut filler words by clicking Remove. It also does filler word removal automatically, eye contact correction, background removal, and voice cloning. Their V50 update in late 2025 added Overdub 3.0 with emotional voice control, You can add whispering, excitement, or emphasis to cloned voice patches. Independent testing shows transcript-based editing cuts podcast and video editing time by 50 to 70%. A 30-minute podcast that used to take an hour to edit takes 20 minutes. The honest catch? The free tier in 2026 is genuinely limited. 1 hour of transcription per month, 100 AI credits as a one-time allocation, exports at 720p with Descript watermark. This is a trial, not a working free tier. The realistic entry point is Hobbyist at $16 a month annually, which gives 10 media hours and 400 AI credits. Creator at $24 a month unlocks 30 hours and 800 credits. My recommendation? Use the free tier for 2 hours to learn the workflow. If the transcript editing clicks for you, Hobbyist at $16 pays for itself within the first week. Tool 5. Elicit. This one is for anyone who does research. Elicit searches academic papers and extracts key findings automatically. Input a research question. Elicit searches across 138 million indexed papers. It returns relevant studies with AI-extracted summaries of methodologies, sample sizes, key findings, and limitations, organized in a side-by-side comparison table. A 2-hour literature review becomes a 10-minute task. For students, researchers, journalists, consultants, and anyone who needs evidence-based answers fast, this is the most underrated tool on this list. The honest catch: the free tier in 2026 is very restricted. 3 deep searches per month, 15 pro analyses, 10 study snapshots. PDF uploads are paywalled. This is enough to evaluate the tool, but not enough to build a workflow around. Plus is $15 a month or $120 annually. Pro is $65 a month for systematic reviewers who need to screen up to 5,000 papers. Start free to test the interface. If academic research is a regular part of your work, Plus at $15 a month is the most efficient research investment you can make. Bonus tool, and this one just became free. Perplexity's Comet browser launched in July 2025 as a $200 a month premium. On March 18, 2026, Perplexity removed the paywall entirely. Comet is now free on iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac. Comet is an AI-native browser. You can chat with the content of any web page, book flights, fill forms, manage email, and run deep research, all without leaving the browser. The computer agent can take full control and execute multi-step workflows autonomously. This is the most significant free AI tool launch of 2026 so far, and most people don't know it exists yet. Recap: Perplexity for AI-powered research with real citations, and the Comet browser is now free. V0 by Vercel for production React UI from text, now a full-stack dev environment. Suno for AI music, but upgrade to Pro before you monetize. Descript for transcript-based video editing. Use the free trial to test the workflow. Elicit for academic research, the most underrated tool for evidence-based work. Subscribe. Every week, I find tools like these so you don't have to. See you next time.